Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to the trailer. This is my enclosed cargo trailer. This is primarily used for like my dirt bike ATV. We have a little kid's razor. We kind of haul like ATVs in this trailer. I've done several videos on this trailer in the past on my channel. I'll leave a link to the playlist for this trailer down below. But I want to show you guys some cool Etrack accessories. I love these Etrack accessories. I love like customizing, using these accessories to kind of to help me organize, to help me haul cargo, haul gear, keep things safe, secure, organized. So I want to show you these cool accessories from Onesnt. They've partnered with the channel in the past, and they're still partnered with the channel. They want to talk about some of these really cool accessories. So this is the cargo trailer here. I have Etrack. I have a set on the wall here, and then two sets on the ground here. I've got a row here, and I've got two rows of Etrack on this side. So both sides have a lot of Etrack. It makes it really versatile. I'm able to store a lot of things. I have these nice wheel chocks for my dirt bikes. These are some cool tool holders from Onesnt, and they actually include the Etrack, a single Etrack piece. So if you don't have Etrack, let's say you want to hang these on your garage wall, you need something to organize like your cordless drills. This is a 2-pack, and then it comes with the Etrack clips. You just include the included bolts here, mount it on, and it has the track here. They're perfectly spaced apart for an Etrack, and then you can just mount these on your wall. It comes with screws. You can mount this directly onto your wall if you just want to mount it on your garage somewhere. I'm gonna have these hanging up over here, and I'll show you kind of how we hold our tools. But we have 4 slots here. Durable, rugged, and then the cool thing is it makes for a little shelf too. So when it's sitting on the wall, it has a shelf, and then it's got some cool screwdriver holders here. So you can just put some screwdrivers here. Now these mount up super easy. We just pull back the clips. We're gonna put it right into the Etrack. Just like so. We can remove this. That's why Etrack is so awesome. It's so modular. You can remove things, just fit next to it here. So there we go. We got a nice sturdy shelf here, and we can put our screwdrivers here. I'm going to put my drills up here and show you how that would work. Even my workbench right here, I could screw these into the wall because it has those single pieces of Etrack. I could just screw the Etrack there, put those right underneath my workbench area. I think I'll leave them right here to kind of just test them out and see how they go. Let's get the drills and see what kind of stuff we can put in there. I'm going to get my drills all put up here. One there. Got one there. You can even put one between. Looks like I even put one between there. This is on the, so you could fit up to like most likely 9 of these. 9. So not only you put your drills there, but if you wanted to put like your charger up here, you can. It's got a nice sturdy shelf. Put that there. And then with these holes on top, we can even put some it looks like it wouldn't fit many flatheads, but a couple Phillips screwdrivers would fit right there. And we're good to go. So I really like the versatility of these. I can put these in my trailer wherever I want, where I have Etrack. But with the included single Etrack pieces that come with it, I can really put this wherever I want. Even if I wanted to put this in my garage, I could hang these up in my garage with that single Etrack piece, and then I could transfer this to my trailer if I needed to, because I already have the Etrack in here. And when you're ready to remove them, you just pull back on the clips, lift up, down, and they pull out really nice and easy. This Etrack basket is a new product for Onesnt. They do have an Etrack basket that I've used in the past. They look like here, where they're an open basket. So these ones are similar sized. Where these are a little different is it has a snap lock lid on the top of it. So this lid comes off. You've got nice deep storage in here. The Etrack mounts right here on the back. 2 bolts here. And there's a nice backing plate right here to help really secure that. So this can hold a lot of stuff. And where this is nice is it's going to really help keep things dry, secure. It's going to keep things from falling out. So if you have a lot of really loose items that could bounce out of the trailer while you're using it. And it's cool, this lid is cut out so it fits right over these Etrack mounts right here, and the snap locks just like that. It comes in a 2-pack. Comes with that. And just like the tool holder, it also comes with these Etrack mounts. So if you don't have a full set of Etrack like I do in my trailer, you can just mount these up right to the wall. It has the included screws to screw it into wood. Just mount these on there, and then you have some removable, portable Etrack baskets. So we just pull, again, we just pull the Etrack levers back, put in this top piece here first, push down on it, snaps in. And this lid is fully accessible even when it's hooked into the Etrack. If you wanted to mount these into, like, say, your truck, like a truck bed, you can mount them in the back of your truck bed, and you've got a secure cargo area to, you know, haul items that are going to be kept out of the weather, dry, safe, secure. They're not going to bounce around. Locks into place like that, and we can store our items in. So I like having a variety of different boxes, storage solutions. Having a couple of these with the lids on it, I really like that. This is Onesnt Etrack tool holder, and I'll show you how this works, because there's a couple tools I keep in here. You might hold other things, you know, say shovels, rakes, things like that. I keep a floor squeegee because a lot of times I will like spray out the floor and then I'll squeegee it out, you know, just to get the standing water out. I also keep just a broom as well, just to, you know, brush out the dirt. This thing gets dirty as well. Just to be able to keep these items in here and have them up and out of the way. Let me show you how this tool holder works. These are a heavy-duty tool holder. It has the Etrack already built in, welded on here. It has the Onesnt logo, and then it's got a nice big opening for your tools. So how you'd put your tools in. So what we do is just take this off the wall. I slip it over the broom handle all the way up to the top here, and then I just clip it right into the wall. It locks in there. Then I can put one on the second row here if I want to just keep it a little more secure. Just slip that under there. Lock that in. It just rests on the ground, and it's going to keep it from falling over. So that's a great solution for brooms, and then I can store my squeegee as well the same way here. Even though this squeegee has a big hose end on the end of this, it will easily slip over this. So I'll just move that up like that. Clip it into place. And then I'll just get my second for the bottom. If you got something a little bigger, say a shovel or rake, fit in there nice. And then when you're ready to take it out, all you do is just unclip your Etrack, put it back in, you're ready to go. This final Etrack accessory I want to show you, this is a cool thing. It's kind of a universal bracket that you can really mount to anything you want to turn into an Etrack accessory. So just to give you an example of what you could do, so this is just my toolbox. I just kind of keep this with me, but let's say I wanted to mount this up on my Etrack. What I could do is I could mount this. It comes with the screws. I just would screw holes in this. I have the mounting plate. This would go on the inside of the toolbox. This would go on the outside, and I'd use the nut and bolt included. I'd make sure I just space it out enough that it's wide enough for the Etrack, that's spacing. But this can then turn this specific toolbox or any other kind of box or any kind of accessory that you can mount this to, screw it to, turns it into an Etrack accessory. So another suggestion, I have this glove holder, just a nitrile glove holder. I could mount these on the back of this, and it could turn into an Etrack glove holder. For example, I'd mount this here. You'd have to do some screwing into this, and then I just mount this on the back. We've got the screws, the nuts to mount it on there, and then I've got an Etrack glove holder. So this is kind of a bracket where, let's say you have some specific items that you want to mount on your Etrack wall. Well, you can easily do that with these accessories here. All right, guys, well, those are some really cool accessories from Onesnt. I'm really excited to use these in my trailer. I've really gotten a lot of use of all of my Onesnt Etrack accessories, and I'm really excited about these new ones, especially the boxes with the lids on those. I'm really excited about those. But guys, see the link down below? I'll leave a link to these products down below, as well as all the other Etrack accessories that I've gotten from Onesnt. They've been a great partner of the channel, so see those links down below. Be sure to leave your comment down below if you have any questions, and be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.